Okay, I'm sorry guys, off camera, I just did a 5-shot group using the magazines that Macabespeed sent me. By the way, thank you for that. Well, one of the magazines he sent me was open and it had some gold pellets in it. I don't know if they're copper, if they're alloy. They might be the Gamma Magnums. I'm not sure, but check out this group at 90 yards that I just shot. It was at 90, right? Yeah. Okay. A little bit of a walk. And again, I should say, guys, you know, thanks Macabespeed. I know I said in my other video review for the target, thank you, but again, thank you, man. You're super generous. You know, you're a pillar of the airgun community. You know, you put out so much informative information, and your videos and live streams are just enjoyable to watch. But again, I don't know how much these pellets weigh, what they are. All I know is they were gold, domed. They looked really, really light. So maybe if Macabespeed sees this, he can let us know. Look at this. So it's hard to tell here, but okay, so I'm aiming here and I hit here. Okay, I took my second shot and it hit here. Okay. Then I took my, wait a minute, how did this work? Okay, so I shot 2 shots. They went hole in hole. Okay. Then I shot another 2 shots. They went pretty much hole in hole. Okay. And then I shot the 3rd shot. Well, not pretty much. It was hole in hole. Okay, so I had a hole in hole here on the first 2 shots. Then I had a hole in hole here on the next 2 shots. Then I did my 5th shot and it went right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I see a definitive hole there. Okay, so my first 2 shots were these 2. Okay. My second 2 shots were these 2. So that's 4, 5. There's a hole. Okay, I did a 6-shot group. That's why I should have this on camera up here at the target. But regardless, these are pellets that I don't know, pretty light. They look like they're copper. But 90 yards, we're looking at a 1.5-inch group. But what I was trying to explain is, I know, okay, I did my first shot. It hit there. I did my second shot. It hit there. 1, 2. Okay, so I did my first shot. Bam, hit there. Did my second shot. It was the same hole. Okay. Then I did 2 more shots. So that makes 4. Yeah, I shot 6 shots. I know for a fact 2 went in the hole, but that doesn't even really matter. The group size matters. And again, 1.5, guys. 90 yards for unknown pellets. You know? Actually, I don't think I shot the whole mag. So why don't I come back and show you guys real quick what they look like. Bear with me. I mean, looking at that group, it looks like 6 shots, but even if I didn't get a hole in hole on there, there's still 6 holes. I know on the second group, like, you know, my point of impact changed, and I got 2 in that second one. The first one, I guess I didn't, but I thought I did. But yeah, real quick, let me pull this out of here and show you guys.
You want to take a pellet out of there?
Yeah, if you could pop one out of there, that would be cool. We're only 5 minutes in. Here's a pen. They look like they're copper or alloy. I don't know if the alloy ones come gold. But these are them, guys.
I'll get my scale out.
Does it measure grains?
Yeah.
How come all your guys' scale measures grains and mine doesn't? So anyway, while he's doing that, guys, here's my gauntlet. The 6 by 24 by 50 UTG. Extended bottle.
Okay, grains. 14.7 grain.
14, so they're close to the Premier Domes.
14.74, so
14.74, and the Premier Domes are 14.3. So okay, I guess they're not lighter, and that explains why they weren't dropping. I didn't have to change my they were actually shooting higher than the 18.13s and the Crosman Premiers.
better ballistic coefficient.
Yeah, better. I was going to say it's a better ballistic coefficient. Absolutely fantastic. Like I always say, be safe, have fun, watch your six. I'll see you on the next one, guys. I hope you enjoy this beautiful view.